In this video, we are going to go over the point of view and narration notes. The first vocabulary term that you're going to record is narrator. The narrator is the voice that tells a story. It can be someone involved in or outside of the action in a story. The narrator may have limited knowledge or know everything in the story. The narrator also may be reliable or unreliable. The narrator makes up the point of view from which the story is told. There are three different points of view that are commonly used in narratives. First, we have first-person point of view. This occurs when the narrator is someone who is present and actually involved in the action of the story. The first-person narrator uses the pronoun I to tell the story. In a second-person point of view, the narrator speaks to the reader as the pronoun you and the reader directly as if they were speaking together. The narrator may or may not be involved in the story. With a third-person point of view, the narrator is separate from the action and tells it from a greater distance than a first-person narrator would. They use pronouns like he, she, etc. When you have a third-person point of view, you can have a narrator that is omniscient, limited, or objective. An omniscient narrator knows all of the action of the story, including what is going on in all the characters' minds and what will happen in the future. A limited narrator knows the thoughts and perspectives of one character, meaning that they can see into the mind of one character. But that third-person point of view can also be an objective narrator. An objective narrator does not know the thoughts of any characters and is only relating the action of the story to the reader, giving you a camera view. Your narrators can also be reliable and unreliable. Reliable narrators can be counted on to tell the truth and give accurate description of the events. An unreliable narrator cannot be counted on to tell the truth. This narrator may have a skewed view of events or be lacking essential information, or this narrator could even be lying.